Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Hope you had a great weekend. It's Monday, so let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, before we get too far, before we draw the name, we got a couple stickers. We got Lower Michigan and Outdoors and Things. Very cool. I'll get those on the board here in a moment. Go ahead and draw this week's channel shout out. If you're not on my sticker board and you'd like to be, let me know. First one that came out was, we got ANCHOR440. Cool guy. He watches my videos and comments often. So, unfortunately, he does not have a sticker. If he did, I would put it on my board. Alright, let's pin those stickers on. Alright, there we go. Got him next to Mark Kratz MC, James G Outdoor, Mid Tennessee Outdoors. His second sticker, I don't know if that's gonna pop in, but we got Mr. BC Gerbs right here. Mr. Michael, or no, sorry, Mr. Michael Bruner, but I got Miss Allie Carroll. Sweet. Well, alrighty, there we go. That's this week's channel shout out. All the links will be down in the description, plus there'll be end cards for everybody for the channel I mentioned, plus the playlist for this series. Just doing shout outs because, you know, when I was starting out, people gave me shout outs and it really helped my channel, so that's my goal. And I do always appreciate you watching, and as always, I do tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there. From our recruits, who we appreciate, to our veterans, which we greatly appreciate. And let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. It should be 0, so 22 a day, no more. As always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one, and have a great week.